Your first 30 days as a leader will define how your team sees you forever. And most people get it wrong, especially in tech, because you were promoted for writing great code. But now you're leading people, and no one taught you how to do that. Let me tell you about Arjun. Arjun was the best developer on his team. Clean code, fast delivery, respected by everyone. So naturally, he got promoted first week. Joined stand-ups leads to starts correcting people. Jumps into code reviews leads to leaves blunt comments. Interrupts discussions leads to, let's just do it this way. Technically correct, emotionally disconnected. Within 2 weeks, something changed. No one said anything, but everyone had decided who Arjun was. Arjun made the most common mistake. He tried to lead with competence instead of connection. Your job is to create an environment where others can do their best work. Let's rewind Arjun's story with emotional intelligence. In code, you debug systems. As a leader, you debug yourself. In tech teams, silence doesn't mean agreement. It often means hesitation. Your emotional state becomes the team's operating system. Now let's look at Meera, a first-time tech lead. No big announcements, no ego, just thoughtful action. In tech, it's easy to think leadership is about decisions, architecture, and execution. You're not just managing code, you're writing the emotional culture of your team.